Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Bard AI. It's absolutely people join, so this link I will in the description. When you click you are redirected to this website. So in this tutorial I'm going to explain you how you can generate an image using this AI tool in a few seconds. So let's get started. First I'm going to Gemini. Google recently launched Bard AI, but this name change a few days ago. So I type here a man dog, then type on enter. When you type enter you need few seconds for processing, and I'm really excited to see this picture because this is absolutely people tool you can use right now. Again it charge on another tool because a girl sky, just enter type, then you can see the magic and power of this tool. I'm really excited. Wow, you can see this Bard AI tool created 4 images for me. It's absolutely fine and fantastic. So wow, so you can use this tool. It's absolutely free. So if you have found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you again in next video. Take care. Bye.